Hi everyone, we're back. Clean Miami Beach is hosting yet another cleanup, and check out all the trash we already picked up. It is unbelievable. Every single time we come out here we have all this trash. So my call to you is to please stop littering, please throw your trash in the trash can, and also please reduce waste. It's amazing that we picked up all this trash, but we are literally just moving it from one place to another. Just because the other area is a designated area for trash doesn't make it any better. All this trash is staying here, especially the plastic, it's staying here forever. So let's please learn to reuse the things we already have instead of creating more trash. And please also come join us next time. Our next cleanups are listed on our website. Join us, get involved, give back to the ocean, connect with the earth, connect with nature, and just have a good time.